So they got a snake that is like an RC, and I'm supposed to check it out and see how it is. And we're going to do that coming up next on this episode of No Pros RC. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So from Adventure Force, we have this COBRA RC snake that's supposed to be realistic. That looks like to be some kind of controlling device. You charge it up via USB, and here is the snake itself. All the scales feel pretty authentic. Ah, crap. I gotta do some cutting. Stand by. So basically just handling it, yeah, you can tell it has like the movement of the snake. I wonder if it has the speed of the snake. We're gonna have to charge it up to find out. Okay, this looks like this is the only way to get the controller out. It's at the bottom. The box is giving birth to an egg, or at least trying to push the egg out.
A few moments later.
Okay. Yeah. Little snake egg. It looks like it takes batteries and we have to unscrew it. Wait, let me see. Oh, okay, it comes with like 3 little watch batteries. Whoops. Let's see. Size doesn't have, I don't know. Of course, made in China. Remove screw to replace batteries. It should say the size on here. Looks like LV426. No, I'm just kidding. L5 VLR44 and LV426, for those who don't know, is if you're a sci-fi buff like I am, that's from the movie Aliens. I thought this egg would stand on its own, but nope. Okay, so this is everything that comes with this little guy. Let's see what the instructions say. You can actually take the snake apart, apparently. Line up the peg and the hole, then snap back together. Do we have to take it apart to charge it? If snake body comes apart during play, simply snap back together. Oh, okay. So, USB jack. Yeah, batteries, infrared signal. Okay, yeah, so the batteries that is required is 1.5 volt LR44, which is included. Great. Alright, let's see if we can get her to move without charging. So underneath the snake, we have these wheels here. Some wheels there, and down by the tail there is a wheel. Alright, so let's turn her on. And the tongue lights up, as you can see. Ooh. We have 3 different channels on the egg / controller, A, B, and C. There's no on/off button for this guy, so let's just see if she moves. And she does. And I ain't gonna lie, I jumped a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, snake wants to, what is it doing? Okay. It's pretty cool. Not the keyboard! Alright, let's just put it on the floor and see what she do. From a distance, it looks like a real freaking snake.
Stop it!
Snake go down. Okay, so obviously you need some more space to see the snake go, but you guys get the idea. It's pretty simple. By Venture Force, you get your egg that controls the snake. Snake tongues lights up, and you get your USB charger right here, and that's pretty much all that comes with it, and your instructions. And right out the box, it's charged up, and you can have a blast with it. So it's pretty detailed. It does move like a snake. It almost has the speed of the snake. And from a distance, if you're not if you don't know it's a toy, you would think that it is an actual snake. So I'm gonna say, yeah, I like it. Got to get used to the controls a little bit, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's fun if you have a cat or something, or a dog you want to play around with and kind of see how they react. Yeah, this would be awesome. But you do need some space because it is quite fast and it doesn't turn on a dime. But you know, it's not a RC car. It's a toy snake. Anyway, thank you for watching this brief review of the Adventure Force Cobra snake. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and support us. We would greatly appreciate it on our way to 400 subscribers, and we need your help to do so. And check us out on No Pros RC on Instagram. And as always, y'all be easy. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.